Hi, I'm Darren and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I'm in front of the camera. We have some happy mail from Dory and Andrew at Dory's Dollies, and I have a box that evidently is for me specifically. Woohoo! So, without further ado, let me hack into here and see what I got.
And I'm the cameraman, so it'll be a little shaky when we first get started.
I'm a knife person. I don't... Marna likes to use scissors, and I'm not sure why, but luckily I think I can get it anyway.
Works for me.
Yeah.
It just works for me.
We're all just waiting for her to cut herself on camera.
Dory and Andrew, this is so nice. I'm overwhelmed.
Wow, this is fun. Hey! Now, person, I just joked a minute ago. We were filming. I said that I get paid in sugar, and both kinds of sugar. Okay, here we go. Let's see. There's got to be a way to open this without having to. Nope, does not appear to be.
And we love these cookies. We have them in the mornings. We have just a couple. Every morning we have crackers.
What's this wee stuff? I thought you said, Darren, this is for you.
Christmas spirit there. Ooh. Oh, those are good. Oh.
They look really good. That's
okay,
good.
take a bite and give us a review.
My review here is that there is not enough cookie and coffee to go through the morning. But it's a good start. Thank you, Dory. Thank you, Andrew. Merry Christmas. Now that my mouth is full of cookie crumbs, my wife has identified that there's something I need my glasses for because I didn't see it. Anyway, there's a gift tag in here. Merry Christmas. The cookies are for you, are for Darren and Marna. Oh, that's why she wants me to read it on camera. Oh, and Marna gets the dolls. Oh, wait. The cookies are for Darren and Marna gets the dolls. See? Hands off. Hugs and kisses, Dory from Dory's Dollies. Thanks, Dory. Somewhere behind there she is.
Look at this box that was on our porch from Dory. Have you all ever seen Big Bang Theory where Sheldon is all disgusted because he heard that Penny got him a Christmas gift? So he went to the Bed Bath and Beyond or one of those places, and he buys all these different size
Gift baskets.
And his idea was he was gonna wait and see the size of the gift from Penny so that he could decide what size gift to give her. Wow, I'm gonna save this box. Our whole fleet of cats can fit in this, all of our farm cats. Oh, wow. Holy smokes, there's another box in here. Wow, what did you do, Dory? When I saw this box, I thought, oh no, I didn't get Dory enough. Okay, wow, this is exciting.
So this is a napkin with Leonard Nimoy's DNA on it?
Yeah, that's what Penny got. I'm so excited I can't even tell the story. Penny had see, can't even talk. You tell her.
So the premise of the story is Penny works at the Cheesecake Factory, and Leonard Nimoy was a customer of hers, and she had him sign a napkin that he had used and gave it to Sheldon, who was a huge fan of Star Trek. And well, if you don't know the show, he's a bit weird and eccentric because of
Not that I am.
And he was more excited about having the DNA of Leonard Nimoy on the napkin than anything, and of course it was priceless to him. So.
Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to give her the whole fleet of baskets.
So after Sheldon sees what she gave him, he goes and brings back from his bedroom this huge handful of, every Bed Bath and Beyond basket.
And that's what I'm gonna have to give Dory. Oh my God, look what she got me. Oh, the kitties are gonna love this gift. Look at her. Oh my God, she gave me oh my God. And if you don't know, I have a collection of the 20, are these 28? I can't remember. 24, 20, no, these are 28, I believe. 24. The Barbies are 28. The Brats are 24. The Rainbow High are 24. I have a lot of big dolls. I love them. Oh, Dory. And I'm getting her out. I will say this doll was not moving inside this box. I am not patient. My husband is, and he has been working on this. What would you say, 10 minutes?
Oh, longer than 10 minutes.
20 minutes? She is...
Look at all the kajinkers.
Yeah,
I mean,
Gilly, look at this. Do you think I could have been patient enough for that? Look at her shoes. Oh my God, and this feather fabric, it is incredible. Her hair, ooh, I'm loving this purple hair.
Oh, it's sewn into her hair.
Okay, we'll get her out and show her to you in a minute. Dory, thank you. Darren, I have to quote Darren when he was unwrapping her. Show all of this. Oh, she's got a brush that's like a star. How cute is that? Darren said there's more engineering in the packaging. And you know what? I think he's right. Than there is in the doll. And look, we've been gnawing on the cookies too.
I'm sharing, of course.
She is absolutely gorgeous. Look at this hair. She has product in the front, but I'm not taking it out just yet. I will, but it kind of holds it back away from her feathers. Oh my God, I'm gonna move this over. This doll is gorgeous. And look, she comes with a stand and it goes on in true Bratz fashion. See if I can get it here real quick. Look at this, how cool is that? Comes with a stand. And let me tell you, this girl is down here because I want to do a little work on her. She's been falling into the other Bratz. And there's a card inside the packaging. We're going to open it up. Dory, if you sent a note inside this, it's not here. But I don't care. I don't care even a little bit. I'm so excited. Bratz Kylie. And it's just her certificate of authenticity. This is the coolest doll. I love the color purple. Love, love, love the shiny. This hair. Oh my God. She has a lot of hair too.
I mean, there's another piece of plastic I missed still.
Is it really?
Yeah. Her hair is so stiff you can't even, I'll do it later.
Okay, we'll get it.
Her hair's so stiff it feels like plastic, so.
Oh,
so much
Dory,
product.
thank you. I wanted to mention that if you don't know Dory's channel, I'm sure you all do, but if you don't and you don't watch Dory, you're missing out. She has been collecting dolls since she was a child, and she knows dolls. She doesn't look up stuff. You ask Dory a question, she spits it right out. I mean, she just knows. Dory is a good friend, and she's like a mentor to me, and especially with like the Kenner Blythe and such, I appreciate her very much. If you don't know Dory, go by her channel and get acquainted. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Stay tuned. We're going to take these girls up and show you my other 24-inch Bratz. But please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. I'm going to set her here, but I wanted you to see these girls first. I figured out what the problem was here. See the stand, what do you call it? The upright in the back? She has a bun, and I was pushing her back to be even, so I was messing her up. She does not have a problem. I did. So we're going to stand Kylie here, right in front of them. Back up, girls. Kylie's in the front. Oh, I love, love, love her. I love her outfit. Oh, my. So pretty. Thank you, Dory.
Merry Christmas.